Ever wondered how you choose the right lighting concept for your room? Well, that's going to be the topic of today's film. Arabu. Perfect.
Did it work?
Now, as a rule, have 3 sources of light per room. The more indirect these lights are, the cozier it can become. Ooh la la. Now, where do you position these lights? For one, you can say in the ceiling. How's that? Yeah, a little bit more that way. Perfect. And then try one on the ground, somewhere like a standing light. And then last but not least, maybe on a shelf or on a table. Now when it comes to the size of your lights, orientate yourself according to the size of the room. If it's a big room, a big light. If it's a small room, a small light. And then the shape of the light according to the shape of your furniture. A long table, a nice elongated light. A round table, you know what I'm getting to. There's one exception to the rule, and that is if it looks good, just do it anyways. Now that you can shine bright like a diamond, go and be creative. Let your little light shine. Bjorn, are you done by now, mate? Get down there.